Pouring cold water on pasta after cooking it. Some of my friends pour cold water on pasta after boiling it, others don't. What do the professionals do? If they pour cold water on the pasta after the boil, what do they want to accomplish with doing it?
I would strongly suggest not pouring cold or any other kind of water on pasta. It will rinse the delicious starches off its surface, which would otherwise help your sauce cling to it. To counteract the negative consequences of overcooking due to remaining heat, which, as Belisarius suggests in his answer, is the reason other stuff is often rinsed with cold water, just serve it immediately. You want to have the sauce hot and ready just before your pasta is, so you can drain the pasta, mix with the sauce, and put it on the table. Pour cold water on boiled things when you want to stop the cooking process. Once you get al dente stage, the pasta will quickly get past that, so cooling it with cold water helps you manage the final state. Be aware that the pasta will lose temp, that is going to be regained when you briskly sauté it afterward, with some salsa, hopefully. P.S. For vegetables, quickly immersing them in ice-cold water after boiling helps to retain the bright color, although I don't know why.